Before the dunes could catalog my fall, I sealed the vanished ocean in a carbon wall. No throne, just vacuum, pressure, ancient proof. 4 billion years went quiet under one black roof. Yeah. Solar nebula dust, folded heat into trust. Kai's flash refractory, older than crust. Type I Chondrite spun magnesium rich in flame. Typed out, carried iron, one reservoir stayed the same. Chondrite matrix complementarity balanced the blend. Fine grained rims kept chemistry tied end to end. Accretion built the sea complex body from the choir. Buried ice awakened without sunlight or fire. Aqueous alteration crossed pores like coated rain. Serpentine and smectite spread through every vein. Till chillin' night bound sulfur crunch the tight joined the scheme. Calcite started counting in a water rock dream. Mud before thunder, archive before art. Hydrated in darkness, hidden furnace in the heart. Every class held a chapter, each micro crack kept proof. Micron speak the truth when whole worlds lose the roof. Pressure made a breccia, never broke the plot. The millennium is graffiti on my carbonate clock. Two lithologies argued underneath one skin. Tight packed spheres met fractured zones within. Alteration ranged from pervasive down to mild. An asteroid made a library, then shuffled every file. Thermal metamorphism hit 400 to 500 degrees. Follow silicates collapse from hydrated ease. Disorder matter dominated. Olivine recrystallized, partly melted face sulfides. Organics reorganized. Short chain and alkalies rose when longer structures cracked. Volatile piles left heavier rings stay stacked. Impact flash, a radionic glide fuse. Choose your fire. The carbonate chronometer cross-examined each liar. Liar, liar. No simple origin, no single clean refrain. Regular style wreckage, still remember strain. Contradiction is a compass when the evidence is raw. A thin section is a courtroom, and texture writes the law. Collision split the pyramid, eject the founder lane. Heliocentric exile crossed the cold unboarded plane. Atmosphere attacked with an incandescent blade. Ablation shaped the edges, fusion crust was made. I struck the western desert, scattered mass through sand. Wind abraded fragments with an unforgiving hand. No witness fall, no applause after speed. 6 kilograms of evidence answered scientific need. X-ray diffraction found a serpentine peak. Laser spots rid trace elements from every streak. Oxygen isotopes mapped the fractionation line. Petrologic subtypes prove no uniform design. From nebular ignition to laboratory light, I cross water, heat, collision, air and night. Carbon carried memory, minerals carried scars. A palm-sized underworld explaining distant stars. Do not call me dead matter, I am process made dense. Liquid dense, chemistry with cadence. Isotope, with intent. Read every fracture. Let the dark record expand. The universe shines quietly, it then leaves truth in your hand.